Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sushmita and you're watching Travel with Sushmita. So today's topic is about solo travel. Okay, I get a lot of messages about how to do solo travel, how to prepare, how to convince my parents about solo travel. So here are the gist of all of your questions about solo travel. So first we have to prepare ourselves for solo travel, and you have to know what is a solo travel. Okay, to take some small steps before you are going to travel solo. Okay, going for a run in the morning alone, and you can go to a cafe, or you can go on a restaurant and enjoy eating alone, going for a movie alone, and you can go for shopping alone. So you the basic idea of solo travel is you have to enjoy yourself alone. You have to enjoy your own company. Okay, so that you can travel and enjoy yourself. Okay, after doing all this, you will understand if you enjoy your company or not. If not, then solo travel isn't your thing. You can travel with further groups. Of a lot of groups are available right now in Facebook, Instagram. A lot of people can do a group travel nowadays, and you can join them and travel. But if you are comfortable to understand yourself and enjoy your own company, then move forward to next step, that is convincing your parents. Yes, this is the hardest part of solo travel, that convince your parents for your first solo trip. So first you have to start with the location that you already visited with them. If the location is accessible for them, then they can understand your value and your total itinerary and your total plan on going there solo. Okay, it will be very easy for you to convince your parents that you are going to for a solo trip that is well known for them and well known for you. Convince them the highlight and the benefit that solo travel can give you right now. Tell them about your plan and about your full itinerary. Reassure them that you will be in touch with them around the whole trip. Seek your parents' support for your planning. Let them participate on your first solo journey. The next part, prepare for the trip. Research more about the staying, research more about the food, research more about the activities. Important part is staying in a hostel over than a hotel. Okay, I will recommend hostels because they are convenient, they are super cheap, and you will not feel lonely on your first solo trip. Book everything in advance. Okay, your cab, your hostel, your activity, plan everything before the trip. Pack small and light, although it's a well-known place that you already know what to wear or where to go, and you can pack smartly. Always come back to your hotel and or hostel before the sunset. It will minimize the risk of you getting in any danger. Okay, and you are your own responsibility. Act according to that. Communicate with locals, use local transport and try local food. Try to know their culture, and try to communicate with other travelers that are available in your hostel or the activity you choose. Try to communicate with them, try to gain more experience about travel, and plan your next solo trip on this trip. Okay, now comment down below if I missed any of the points. Surely make a video on that too. Okay, thank you so much for watching me. Subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Happy solo traveling. Bye.